Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today in the morning I got an email to say that one of my orders have been arrived. The office is close by, so I don't need to pay a lot of money to bring it to home. So we're gonna drive for it and let's see what is this next package. So yesterday we have been applying the second lip properly this time, so hopefully it will not fly away, but definitely I'm sure about it. It's very nice again, it's make the whole look together again, and I really like it. But the second mood which we're gonna go for is the red diffuser. So I ordered an M5 red diffuser, and you know, like if there is M5 diffusers, so there should be a quad exhaust system. So the school work done, and let's head back and let's go to collect our stuff. Alright, so we got that little boy here. Let's just have a look. Oh my god, it looks so good. But I think next week I have time to make the quad tip exhaust, and we're gonna make it on a straight pipe. So, well, I don't believe the sound will be much different, but I think it will sound a bit more aggressive maybe. Especially with this diffuser, it will look so good. So to my boy, make the reservation for the quad exhaust and the straight pipe. Look to this one. It's nice. And after a few days, so this is the day that I have the reservation with my guy to make the straight pipe. Heading down to the shop to get the stuff that we need, and then we start the work on it. Moment of the truth, all the stuff is here, straight pipe and the tailpipe, and now we're gonna start cutting. Once only one muffler, we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna do it like quad exhaust. So we're gonna make exhaust on this side as well. hours of work. And let's see how it's gonna sound. So, big thanks to my man. Let's get the cold start. Because good morning guys, it's next day. Let's listen for the cold start and then head to the shop to install the diffuser properly. Just like that, the exhaust upgrade have been done. Muffler deletes, quad exhaust, and just like looks awesome with the diffuser. So shout out to this guy, he helped me so much. And now the upgrade is done and everything looks just like so awesome. And yeah guys, if you'd like to pay a visit, so he's just gonna take care of you. And as you see guys, this is the final result. Quad tip exhaust with the M5 diffuser. So at this point, the mood is done. Let me know what you think guys in the comments. Remember to drive safe and I'll catch you guys in the next video.